Cindy. Welcome to my To Be a Doll nursery. I am an adult doll collector and I love to share my videos with other adult collectors. Today I have a very special box opening from Ruby Red Fashion Friends and I wanted to share it with you. I have a very fun box opening here. Not only do I have the beautiful Lila, she's beautiful. Just beautiful. That's her original outfit. She does have a pink hat. I don't have the pink hat on her. But we have limited edition Maisie, the Music City Maisie. So we're going to open her up, but also we have these little outfits from an Etsy shop called Addie Dolls. We have one there. And we have one here. So we're going to take a look at those also. So here's the front of Maisie's box. And then you turn it around. There's the side. And then here's the back. And I don't know if you have ever had a limited edition Ruby Red Fashion Friend, but they have different boxes and these boxes are amazing. It's like going to a craft store and buying one of those heavy boxes for storage. It's such a beautiful box. So when we open her up, this is what we're gonna see. Everything's gonna fall out on me here. So there's her certificate for her authenticity. Let's get her out so we can get a better look at her here. It looks like Maisie has a lot of accessories to her. She's really pretty. Oh, I say that about all of them. I just love them. They're so pretty. And here's her authenticity here. I got number 65. She's so cute. So we have something in this. Oh, we'll have to open that up. So let me open that up and I'll be right back. So before we get Maisie dressed, I thought it would be fun to look at her accessories that come with her. I love her eyes. Oh my God, she's beautiful. I like the thick eyebrows also. It's a pretty little dress here, a little sheer dress. But I wanted to show you her jacket. Really nice. It feels really soft. There's her jacket. And then she comes with a little purse. And then here's her boots. And oh my gosh, they're lined. They're so cute. Oh, they're so cute. See, do they zip? Nope, these Velcro. So there's her boots. And then here's her turquoise necklace. This reminds me of my mom. She used to have a great big huge turquoise ring. And then here's the belt. And this is heavy. This stuff is, I mean, it's heavy. And then she came with a guitar. She also came with a guitar. Oh, and I forgot, and a hat. So let's get her completely dressed so that we can look at her. So here she is in her dress and her jewelry. Looking lovely. Let's see what her hat looks like on her. Oh, she's cute. She's a little cowgirl. She's a little cowgirl. Super cute. She's definitely fun. Super cute. Super, super cute. Super cute. Lila is dreaming about what she wants to be for Halloween. Isn't she just super cute? She is precious. I love her outfit. So she picked out this outfit from the little shop. We're gonna get this one out and put it on Lila. And here's the card. This is a super cute shirt. Isn't that just the cutest? That's adorable. Super cute. Before we put her dress on, let's take a look at this. Here's her stocking. It's super thick. That's her stockings. And then here's her little shorts that go under her pretty little dress. And then the back, let's see if it snaps or velcros. Oh, it snaps. So let's get this on and see what she looks like. So here she is in her pretty dress. It's really cute. Let's get her hat on and see what it looks like. Here she is with her little hat on. This is really a cute little Good Witch outfit from that little Etsy shop. That lady is super nice too. Her name is Paula. And look at this hat. Look at this. How cute is that? That's just precious. Do you like to dress up your dolls with the seasons? I try to. It depends on how much I work. Oh, it's a cute outfit. I don't have the shoes out for these dolls, so. Oh, it's super cute. anybody order the witches on the exclusive Ruby Red Fashion Friends? I know my dolly shop, My Doll Best Friend, still has some in stock. Almost forgot. It also came with a broom. I almost forgot about it. It even has a little broom. Super sweet. How fun is that? Miss Frida. She is one of the Ruby Red Fashion Friend Coraline dolls. I don't have an opening video of her either because I wasn't doing videos then. But she's just stunning. I love her skin color. Oh my gosh, she's beautiful. So she is in the other Etsy dress with the stockings. Let's get her hat on her and see what she looks like. So here she is with her little broom. Super cute. And that broom is made really well too. Look how beautiful she is. She's just beautiful. Her hat's pretty too. I need to set it down where you can see her hat because it's really cute also. Such a cute hat. And that's Frida, the Coraline dolls. She looks really cute too. Fun. I love that these dolls are articulated. Super